Hello, my name is Gage Shane. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. Now the reason I'm doing the demonstration on math is because my field of study, engineering, deals a lot with math, and also I think I'm pretty good at math. Now, to start with, the first thing you need to know about it is PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, which is basically the order of operations that you do everything in. So the first thing we need to look at is parentheses. But we don't need to look at the first parentheses, we need to look at the parentheses, inside the parentheses, and so on. So the highest order of parentheses I have is the second order of parentheses, which would be this one and this one. So I need to start with those first. Now the next letter in PEMDAS is E, exponent. So those are the first ones I need to do inside the second parentheses first. So I would do the 4 to the 1/2 power, which is 2. So after doing exponents, then you do multiplication and division, which are in the same step on the ladder, so you do them at the same time. So then I would do 2 divided by 2, which is 1, and 8 times 3. After doing multiplication and division is addition and subtraction, which again fall in the same step of the ladder together. So then I would do 5 plus 6, which is 11. And then I would do 1 plus 24, which is 25. Now that the second parenthesis is finished, we move on to the first parenthesis. So inside the first parenthesis, again, we start with the E, the exponents. So the first one we do is the -7 to the 4/2 power, which is basically 7 to the second power. So that's 49. And then we do 3 to the second power, which is 9. And again, 3 to the second power. 6 to the second power, which is 36. And that's it for exponents in the first parenthesis. Next, we would do multiplication and division again in the first parenthesis. So then we would do 0 times 9 divided by 8, which anything times 0 is 0. So you do 0 there. The next one would be 1 times 11 times 2, which is 22. After that, we would do 9 times 4, which is 36. And that's it for multiplication and division. The next one we do is addition and subtraction after multiplication and division. So we do 49 plus 0 minus 22, which is 27. After that, we would do 9 minus 2, which is 7. And the next one would be 36 minus 36 plus 25, which is just 25. After doing everything within the first parentheses, then we can just move on to EMDAS in that order. So the E would be the exponent, which would be 27 to the 1/3 power, which is 3. And then 25 squared is 5. And then, of course, after exponents is again multiplication and division. So then we would have 7 times 3, which is 21. And then we can just do addition and subtraction to finish out the problem. And as you can see, by using the order of operations, we find that x, which is the variable we were solving for, equals 13. So, if by doing PEMDAS correctly, you can use any number of different equations, such as this, to find the correct answer to your math problem. Now, there are multiple different ways that you could have went about doing this the wrong way, such as starting from the left, going to the right, or from the inside out, or a multitude of different things. But by using the order of operations correctly, you can guarantee yourself that you will get the math problem correct. Thank you for your time and attention.